I'm sorry, Sunstone Angel Stamping. Let me try this again. Okay, I'm gonna have fun making videos, I guess, tonight. Neither one of this old phone's not wanting to do it. My new phone didn't want to hold on to videos. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna keep on trying. So anyway, yeah, I love the grip on them here. These old cheaper blocks don't have grips, and like I said, even some of these are super thin and they're hard for my fingers. I have such arthritis and stuff to hold on to them. This is almost like the paper pumpkin block you get. Yeah, the paper pumpkin block is actually thicker than the ones I have, and a little bit bigger. So anyway, wanted to get some blocks. So I'm real happy to have those. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is that take your pick tool I wanted to get. So this is really cool. This is, if you don't have one of these, you really should get one. This will really help you out. And it's got the, and it's just going to quit video, and I'm just going to keep having to mash the thing. It's got this little end here. Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping, and I have an unboxing for you. This is some, I think I've got it upside down actually. There we go. This is some a Stampin' Up order, and this is the host code if you go and order till the 20th, which is Monday. If you go make an order, you can put this host code in, and that helps me out a great deal. So my husband actually ordered some stuff just to help me out with some supplies that I was needing, and he ended up using the host code for me. So that kind of helps me out a little bit. Gives me an order. So open it up. I can't even remember what it was I asked him to order for me. You know, it was some things I needed. So any of these things that you see here that you would like, and you can order. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay, pull this out. So first of all, let me show y'all this. I got me one of the Stampin' Up mats, and I don't think just demonstrators can get these. I'm not sure about this. I'll have to check if y'all are interested in this and you're not a demonstrator. But I think this is for everyone. I don't see it anymore this on here. I actually had to call and ask about it because I know I saw this one. I know I see the other ones in the catalog. So I'm pretty sure everybody can get this. I know I used to see this on the site. So if you are interested in this one, I can give you the number for it if you can't find it, because I know I had to actually call about it because the only one I could find was the regular mat. So, which is nice also, but I was kind of wanting the flowers this time. Okay. Wanted to get this chamois, the simple chamois. And what this will do, I'll be showing you how to use this. I'm not going to open it now because I can see they have it in here and it's already moist and everything. So I'm just going to keep it in here until I'm ready to use it and demonstrate it. But, and it's pretty, it's purple. It is, the simple chamois is to clean your stamps. And I actually wanted to get theirs. Now I have one that's from another company and they do get stained up and everything, but I never did really like this one too well because it did get hard and I always had to wet it, but it cleaned okay and everything. But I did want to get Stampin' Ups since I am with them, and from what I saw it did look more like a sponge and it just looked like it was a better product too, so I thought it would be better to get that. I wanted to try it out, see if it worked better too. Like I said, it looked like it was better with it being squishy and everything. So I know the other kind that I've got puffs up just a little bit, but nothing like this. So these are only $5, I believe. So not bad at all. You don't have to use any kind of cleaner or anything. They're just water. So they clean real well. Okay, let's see, I'll go ahead and show you these. I got a couple of blocks I was needing. I like to have several. I mean, the last time I was stamping, oh my goodness, I kept having to take off my stamps, and I didn't have enough blocks. And I probably still don't. I thought I did. But, I mean, because I have a bunch of blocks here. But I tell you what, I mean, when you get to going, and I didn't have enough little blocks especially, when you get to going, you really need a bunch of blocks. You know, especially being a demonstrator. So I thought, well, let me get some other sizes, because I don't have these sizes. So I got a B block, an A block, and a G block. These are sizes I do not have. So I'm trying to collect some different sizes here. And there's still some others I need to get. I love how thick they are too. Most of mine, you can see, this is like the thickest I have. Look how thick they are. I love that. Let's take one out. Oh man, I love this. This is great. I mean, just look at that. And how thick that is. Can y'all see the comparison? They're not heavy. They look like they're heavy. And they have that little, oh, we'll try this again. And then it's got this end here, which I think is the same as, I think that's just an extra that goes on right here. So these are really cool. Oh, forgot to put that back on. So yeah, you'll be seeing me use this. And that's the instructions to that. Okay, let's see if I can get through this before it stops on me again. This is a paper pack. This is the Bright 6x6 Designer Series paper. So it's just the pretty paper pack. It matches the colored ink that I actually have. And I have the just the regular cardstock. So I thought, well, I do need the designer series pack to it to make some cards. So there's a lot of paper in this too. Look at all the paper. Real pretty, fun designs. Just, you know, polka dots and stripes. And I believe there's, looks like I'm getting 3. I didn't count. Is it 2 or 3? Huh. 1, 2, 3. Well, that one's 3. And that one's 2. Well, that's odd. I got 3 on that one. It looks like most of them are 2. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, there's 2 on all of them, so, but one of them I got a 3rd one. So I don't know how I ended up with a 3rd one on that purple. I think was it purple I got a 3rd one? That one purple, yeah, that purple and white there, I got a 3rd one. Odd. Well, odd. I ain't complaining. Not at all. And that's one of my favorite colors, purple. My most favorite color actually is purple. So anyway, that is my unboxing. And then I have the other one from the pre-order. So if you haven't seen that one yet, make sure and watch that also. And like I said, if any of these items or you'd like to get, you can get in the catalog now. And you'll also be able to get in the new catalog when they're coming, because they're also will be in the new catalog, so you don't have to worry. But here is the code when you order. Now this code, like I said, is only good until Monday, May the 20th. So just remember that. So I thank you for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. Remember to please give me a thumbs up. Please remember to share. Please remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And to all those new subscribers out there, thank you very much for subscribing. And I'll see y'all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.